Hey y'all, my name is Jasmine Chakray. I am the founder and CEO of Your Lock Muse, but I also love all things content creation, and I do all of this while being somebody's mama. So today, I'm going to be showing you behind the scenes of our upcoming birthday collection. The birthday collection is our tribute to our 1 year business anniversary. Your Lock Muse officially started in business April 22nd, 2022. And we have accomplished so much in such a short year. We've received 1,800 plus orders in our first year of business, and we've made countless number of spiral ties. Each one has been handmade by us. When I first started off in business, I did everything by myself. I did everything literally by myself for the first 9 months in business. And I realized really soon that although I was sharing that I was running everything by myself, that was not anything to brag about. Because usually, as a business owner, if you're running everything by yourself, you're getting burnt out really fast. It may not always be burnout in your business life, but you're going to have burnout in your personal life because you are exuding so much energy into your business in order for it to be successful. A lot of businesses do not make it to the 1 year mark. And I can speak from experience. Your Lock Muse is business number 8 for me. I have had a branding and marketing agency. I've done micro shading for eyebrows. I've done eyelash extensions. I've built websites. I've created custom shirts and cups. In college, I handmade wigs. I also had a blog. I've done so many things over the past 8 years, and Your Lock Muse was finally my baby that actually grew up. I've invested so much time and energy into this business, and I'm so grateful and so thankful for my friends and family that have been on this journey with me and that have helped me in any way that I've needed help along the ride. My best friend has showed up for me in ways that I could have never even imagined to have asked her to show up. She's always been a model for me, as you can see her now. She's always willing to model whenever I need to, or if I have a photo shoot and I don't need her to model, but I need her to watch my baby, she's always down for it. This business has taught me so much more than I've learned in any other business that I've had. I'm very sensitive when it comes to my business, so when I see somebody else trying to piggyback off what I do, it takes a lot out of me not to get worked up. And it's simply because of all the time that I have invested into the storytelling that I'm trying to portray, the lifestyle that I want you all to see that I live, but also that so many other women live. We all just want to show up confident and comfortable every day. A lot of us are showing up with uncomfortable hairstyles and makeup to fit this beauty standard because society tells us we should look one way or we should show up to work another way, and we're not comfortable that way. Spiral ties are my way to contribute to women, to young girls, to let you all know that you are seen and that you can be seen comfortably and you can be confident while doing it. You can show up with just a ponytail in your hair. You can show up with a messy bun. And you can still just be you while doing it. My advice to anyone that is considering starting a e-commerce business and even a service-based business is to show up online as your most authentic self. That will get you so much further than trying to portray yourself as someone that you are not. Trying to tell a story that is not your story to tell. Doing things that don't really align with your business goals and your business mission will get you nowhere far real fast. You have to stay true to who you are. You have to know who your target audience is. I am very well aware of who my target audience is, and I am also aware of who my product and who my business is not for. That is something that takes a lot of research, and it takes knowing who you are. You have to know who you are to be able to speak to the audience that you are for. So I hope that anyone that has been watching my journey, or that has purchased from me, or that has shared a post or watched a video or liked or commented or any of those things, I hope that you realize that I'm just being me every day. I'm waking up every day and I'm doing what I love. Creating content is something that I am truly passionate about, and it just so happens that I am also able to hand make a product that I really, really love. I have not worn a ponytail in my hair since 2022. And by a ponytail, I mean a ponytail holder. I don't even own ponytail holders. All I wear every day are spiral ties, with or without my hair done. I'm able to show up confident. I can wear a bun or a high ponytail all day long, and when I get home, I do not have a headache. I may have a headache from working, but I don't have a headache from having my hair up on my head. I hope that when you all wear our products, you know that you are representing a brand that stands for something. We are women's women, and what that means to me is that we want to see other women explore their skills. We want to see other women explore what it means to be beautiful, outside of what the magazines tell us, outside of what the music videos tell us, outside of what beauty pageants say beauty is. Beauty is you. What you look in the mirror and you see every day, that's beauty. You don't have to be done up to be beautiful. I don't wear makeup. I have nothing against makeup, but I don't feel that I need makeup every day to look beautiful. You may think that I look average, but I look beautiful. And that is my goal, for everybody to feel beautiful. That is why when my customers shop with me and they actually enjoy our products, I ask for you all to send pictures, because yes, I want to send them out in emails. I want everybody to see you. I want everyone to know that I believe all of our customers are a muse. There is no set standard on what a muse looks like. A muse is the woman that is being true to who she is. So thank you for being a part of this journey. Thank you for riding along with me this first year. I'm not done yet. I'm just getting started. So let's talk a little bit about our birthday collection. Our birthday collection is going to feature Zodiac fabrics. We got these specifically designed for our customers, and I want to break down what the fabrics are. So there is one pattern across all 12 zodiac signs, but each zodiac sign has its own symbol and its own unique colorway. We're going to start the collection off with 3 fabrics, and it's going to be Aries, Taurus, and Gemini. And as the months go on, we will continue to release the rest of the zodiac signs until we complete all 12. And now, I did originally want to drop all 12 fabrics at once, but I had to be realistic. We are hand making each spiral tie, and I absolutely could not release 12 spiral ties at once, because there is no way that I nor my team would have been able to handle that load. We are still a very small team. In addition to our spiral ties that'll be releasing, we are finally launching our t-shirts. We will be releasing a multitude of t-shirts over the course of a few months with different slogans on it, different words, different phrases that we hope resonate with you. And we also have something very secret releasing soon, but we'll get more into that on another video. So like I said, the goal of today was just to show you all some behind the scenes of this photo shoot. For the most part, I do all of our photo shoots, with the exception of about 3 of them I did not take the pictures for, but I do all of our videography, all of the content, all of the video content that you see across all of our social media pages is created and directed by me. So after we got done with our shoot, we just kind of got, some more lifestyle pictures. We talked a whole lot in this shoot. I like for all of our models to be comfortable. Everybody doesn't always know each other, so I try to keep things, super lax. And before this photo shoot, I actually had my own business photo shoot on Friday. So I'm going to show you all a little bit of the behind the scenes from that shoot as well. And I hope that you all are excited to shop our new collection. All of the zodiac symbols are very small on the spiral tie. So that way, if you see a color that you really, really want, but you don't really care for the zodiac sign, you can still order it because nobody will know that you're wearing a, let's say, Gemini sparkle tie and you're a Scorpio. It'll be all good, I promise. But yeah, let's get into some more of the behind the scenes. I'm going to stop talking now because I obviously just talked to y'all for 10 minutes and wow, need to be quiet. Talk to y'all soon and see you all on our next collection release.